He's near an 800 credit score. You feel me?
How to increase your credit score. Money Man, QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course, you guys got to like and subscribe. Today's video, we're going to be talking about secured credit cards. You guys actually sent me a clip from Money Man, who's a musician. He also works on his credit and give out a lot of credit tips as well. So I got some informative information for you guys. If there's any other videos you guys want me to react to or even just watch with you guys, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm actually following everybody back as well. And don't forget, before you start this video, I am doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So if you guys want to be entered in a giveaway, all you guys got to do is say enter me in the giveaway. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Easy to do. Now let's get right to this video. And like I said, guys, if you guys got any other videos, feel free to drop them below, or you guys can message me, because a lot of you guys, you guys tend to message me on Instagram. Where is it at? I'm just trying to. Lips been a little chapped. But yeah, also, if you guys want to download Chime, you guys will actually receive a credit builder card. Now that credit builder card is a secured card, but they will actually give you $100. You have a SpotMe feature where you can overdraft, and you also have a checking, savings, and that credit account. So it's an easy, secure credit card. Money Man is going to be talking about the secure credit card. So if you guys want a secure credit card, feel free to use the link in the description. Use my link up your direct deposit. You'll be on your way. And that way you can build your credit just by making purchases. So it's a win-win situation. Build your credit, make purchases, but you got to use my code, and that shows Chime that you actually watched my video. So it's a win-win situation. Definitely a win-win situation. So
much with his metrics, he used charts and all kind of analytics and all kind of shit like that. But in the comments, you had to you can just get a credit card for $30,000. You can. It's really this easy. If you follow the steps, it's really this easy. A lot of street niggas don't be having that much credit and shit like that, right? So what you do is you put them 2 secure cards on there. One for 400, one for 300. It could be 300 a piece. You put out the money real quick, boom. You send it to them folks. Count one. Anybody, whoever lets you get a secure card, it's gonna report on your credit real quick. Them probably the only 2 things on there. If you got blank credit, boom. Once them hit and register, go get you another card, because them 2 is on there. So you can get you another card. If you don't get approved, get another prepaid card. Put it on there. It's gonna start building into a strong profile after about. You want to let it build up for about a year. As shit start registering off the rip, you gonna have a 700. Once 2 credit cards get on your shit and you have nothing else on there off the rip, you add one more thing, it dropped down because of the inquiry, and then it go right back up a month later or 2 months later until a 730 or a 740. Then you just add a few more things on there. After a while, Chase gonna give you a credit card. This is all within a year. Chase gonna give you, at the end, Chase gonna give you a $30,000 credit card. Amex them gonna give you all kind of thousands, probably like 20, one for 20, another one for 15. You know what I'm saying? Because your shit built up and it look like you got good payment history. So, and then I just know this, you feel me? Like, hey, can't nobody prove me wrong. I got young niggas out here with 800 credit scores, period. My barber who just came and cut me up said he got an 800 right now. He's near an 800 credit score. You feel me? He listened to my lives. It's just what it is. You feel me? And then if you older and you done already fucked your credit up, pay somebody who's trustworthy, who got a track record, to clear your shit off. Get your shit cleared off. Student loans, I'm not sure if you can get them cleared off. You know what I'm saying? You kind of want to avoid them at all costs. Unless you finna be a doctor or a lawyer, something that really benefits you. But before you even go down that road, you don't even want to get 40, 50 grand worth of debt for a degree that you ain't going to use. You feel me? You don't even want to jump into that lane. So what you do is you get somebody to clear your shit off, and then you go through this same route. You start building your shit back up slowly and start you a business with them funds. So you can either liquidate the credit card. If you got a 40 grand credit card, you can liquidate it through a merchant that's yours, of a business that's yours, or start your business. You should have confidence anyway. People anybody who say, I'm not fucking up my credit to start a business, don't need to be in business, because everybody know with business comes risk. If you're not
Guys, I really hope you guys like that video. Now, Money Man, who is a musician, he talks about credit a lot. He's been in the credit game for a while now. He's one of the few rappers, few musicians out there who actually talks about credit and how important it is to build your credit. Because, you know, at this point in life, you need your credit to get a vehicle, a house, an apartment. You know, they're running credit checks, stuff like that. So it's very, very important to have credit. You know, we're not being taught this in middle school. We're not being taught this in high school. We're not being taught this in college. You know, so it's like, you know what I mean? We're not being taught to it. We're not familiar. You know, a lot of people don't come from a generation or a family of good wealth, a family of speaking this type of, you know what I mean, speaking about it, basically, you know what I mean, or basically speaking about it or living through it. You know, we didn't come from that. So the best way that I can help you guys, I'll try to translate certain things for you guys to make it easy to listen. But yeah, basically get a secure credit card. Like I said, I've been getting sponsored by Chime. So get a secure credit card, you'll get $100, start to build that credit. And like you said, after 6 months to a year, you will see the differences on your credit, 6 months to a year. But guys, you guys gotta be patient. It's gonna take time. A lot of people just think it's gonna happen the first 30 days, the first week. You know, it's a process, but that process will get you to the next level. You know, as I mentioned, you know, nowadays to even get an apartment, you gotta go through credit checks. Certain jobs, they're gonna check your credit. So it is very, very important that you guys have good credit. Very, very beneficial as well. So let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true.
So, and then if you older and you done already fucked your credit up, pay somebody who's trustworthy, who got a track record to clear your shit off. Get your shit cleared off. Student loans, I'm not sure if you can get them cleared off. You know what I'm saying? You kind of want to avoid them at all costs. Unless you finna be a doctor or a lawyer, you know, something that really benefits you. But before you even go down that road, you don't even want to get 40, 50 grand worth of debt for a degree that you ain't going to use. You feel me? You don't even want to jump into that lane. So what you do is you get somebody to clear your shit off, and then you go through this same route. You start building your shit back up slowly.